And here we have another 2 tins. I need some cleaning up, some restoring. I've made a start on them and I have polished the brass lid on this one. Comes up so shiny it looks fake. Stay tuned to find out what will become of these 2 tins. This is how quick it can be to remove old paint.
Uniform 1's incorrect.
And on this, the final coat of red. I've just finished painting this onto the can, and this number 30. And my front's looking like so. I was going to paint in these areas with the same bright red as I have up here, however I think it looks so awesome like it is, and leaving the old paint coming through looks pretty darn neat to me. So that's how it's going to be on the front. I've done that little shell on the side and this little part here on the back. It originally did have another number 30 down here. I'm in two minds about putting it back there because it looks great just as it is. And here's an old cap. I polished up this cap. It was covered in dirt and green corrosion. It's got a seal in the bottom or the top there, and that looks pretty cool. It suits this can because it's shiny and new, but you can also see the old pitting and corrosion that this cat has had. So what we're looking at here is a finished shell can. Close up of the corroded detail and the writing there. Polished, painted, waxed, finished. Very happy with how it's turned out. Bright red's awesome. Yellow and the white with the red is awesome. And there we have it, another one done. 2 Imperial Yarns. And here we have one finished Castrol petroleum spirit can with a polished up lid. Shiny as it gets. Done both sides. There we have it. So here it is. Here's what I've been working on. Restoring and painting and polishing up some vintage petrol and motor oil cans. Here's another shell one. I haven't finished this one yet. That yellow is looking really awesome. So is this black and so is this red. Stay tuned to see this one finished.